first summer video, summertime saga. You know, that's when we get the most shit done. I think it was the last summertime saga. I put the upper control arms on. Now, look at that. Angle kit from New Zealand. Billet angle kit. Installed on this side. It's going down on the other side. These are all the tools you have to use. You gotta cut the dust shield to clearance this, because this comes way far in, to change the mounting point for the tie rod. And then other than that, it's just tie rod replacement, same thing. Okay, so angle kit on. Let's pop this rotor off so you can see what I had to modify. You can see that's what I removed, the dust shield and the tie rod. There's my modifications to get it to fit. I just use these metal cutters. It sits like that, sandwiched on there, locked on there. Just gotta tighten this last piece here and put the rotor and brake caliper on, and then make sure the wheels are straight. A quick little something. There's our angle, I guess, left side. I'm trying to figure out if the rack is centered or not. Kind of with doing this as well. Is there more angle on that side? Well, might be. My suspicions might be correct. In the middle of installing a master cylinder brace. What is the brand?
I think it's just Z1.
Oh, yeah.
Nothing fancy.
But, so it's a brake master brace, but it uses bolt holes for the clutch master and coilover.
Yeah, it uses the top hat bolts and the reservoir mount for the clutch master. Oh, that's fucking connected to the battery still, isn't it?
Yeah. It's connected right here.
I yoinked the other one completely out.
Yeah, this was from the underglow stuff.
I don't need that shit.
You could get it though. Just a quick little turn.
Oh, it's just through this?
Yeah. Oh.
I don't need that shit.
Style surpassed that. We don't need that no more.
Yeah, that's beginner shit.
Look at this though. First part of the
Actual
brace
function.
is touching.
That's good.
That's how it braces.
Tighten this hoe down. Oh, I can feel it click onto it.
Fully braced.
Yeah, it feels a lot stiffer.
I can see a flex right before it hits it. And I can see why this was important. Sadly, we didn't take it before, but I mean, the fact that this is like a mass-produced product, you could understand that this is a design flaw.
Just thin firewalls on these Japanese cars.
Yes.
Okay. Who the hell is that? You hear that? That might be a weed whacker or something.
I think it is a rampant weed whacker.
No. He's revving that shit.
It's a dirt bag.
There. Huh.
Cotter pins.
Not clear this way.
But you
I can hear it, man. So next thing we're doing is taking the axle spacer out of the G, because this axle boot is rubbing into itself up here. So when it's just spinning, it's just touching itself. You can see this line where it's cleaned itself off. This is how I've blown through 2 axles on this car. So I'm going to take the axle spacer out to hopefully separate this more and get clearance so this doesn't touch itself. I still need to clean all the grease off from the last time. This fucking sucks.
So we removed it on this side. Here, there's a gap now, it's not touching. So it's all fixed. So it won't rip the boot and spit grease everywhere like you see here.
One eye open when I'm sleepy.
I don't know if I ever showed these from SFP Aero. I want to get the headlight ones when I get real new headlights.
I don't think you have shown them. On the 4 doors, great mod.
Yeah.
Coupe, I think they're good too, but not a lot of people do them on the coupes.
Pick that up. So what's new with this? This hasn't been in a video in a while. Rear caliper right here locked up one day when I was driving. I was going to the car wash, pulling the car wash. This corner over here is smoking like crazy. I'm still driving it because I only have to drive like a mile to work, and it doesn't do it then. But picked up these. These are gonna be going on. I'm just waiting on the rotors. He's got the fucking big brake kit for that. I got a big brake kit for this. Some Akibonos from a Nismo 370Z. The guy took them off to put 6-pot Porsche brakes on his 350Z. So now they're going on this.
Get to that point?
I don't need to go to that point. He was doing time attack.
Oh yeah. That's important then, and only then.
I mean, this car sees a track, but I'm not doing that. My dad.